Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit to find press and hold shutter button option. When we tap on it, we can decide between record video, burst shot and focus. So let me stay on burst shot and let's move back to camera to try to use this. Now when we tap on shutter at the center a little bit longer, we can take the series of pictures in the really fast way. The maximum number at once is 20, and this is how burst shot works here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.